Good afternoon students, welcome back to online maths class. So in the last class we have solved up to the second main question of the exercise 1.3. So in today's class let us continue with the third main question. So it is let A which is equals to 1 comma 2 comma and then you have the set 3 comma 4 comma 5. Which of the following statements are incorrect and why? So here we have 11 sub questions and we need to identify the correct or incorrect statements, and if it is incorrect we will have to give the valid reason. So here the first one, it is 3 comma 4 is a subset of A. So this statement is incorrect because 3 belongs to this set but 3 doesn't belong to the set A. That is why it is incorrect. So the answer for the first one is incorrect. Incorrect because 3 belongs to 3 comma 4. 3 belongs to 3 comma 4 but 3 doesn't belong to the set A, but 3 does not belong to A. That is why it is incorrect. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 3 ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿನ್ ದೇರ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ 1 2 3 comma 4 and then 3 4 5 ಈ ಥರ ಸೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೋಮನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತೆ ರೀ ಅವಾಗ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಈಗ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. So now let us move on to the Roman number 2. 3 comma 4 belongs to A. Yes, this set 3 comma 4 is there in the set A. That is why it is correct. Second one, correct. The statement is correct because 3 comma 4 because 3 comma 4 is an element. 3 comma 4 is an element of A. Is an element of A. Then we'll go for the Roman number 3. So here inside the curly bracket we have the element 3 comma 4. Yes, it is true. So if you write the subsets of the given set A, so this will be one of the subset. That is why it is correct. So is correct. Is a subset of A. Is a subset of A. Correct because it is a subset, because it is a subset of A, because it is a subset of A, because it is a subset of A. Then take the Roman number 4 now. Roman number 4. So he has given that 1 belongs to A. 1 is an element of A. Yes, it is true. 1 is there in the set A. So the statement 4 it is true. That is it correct. So correct because 1 is an element of A. Because 1 is an element of A. 1 is an element of A. So note down this and then we'll take up the fifth one. So see the fifth one now. 1 is a subset of A. Subset ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕರ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎನ್ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕ್ರಿ. So he has given that 1 is a subset of A, which is incorrect. 1 is an element of A. 1 ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟ್ A ದು ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ರೀ, ಬಟ್ 1 is not a subset of A. ಈ ಥರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂದರೆ ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ನಮ್ಗೆ. 1 is a subset of A. ಈ ಥರ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ, ಬಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So he has given only 1 is a subset of A, which is incorrect. That's what we have to write now. Fifth one, incorrect, because incorrect because 1 is not a subset of A. 1 is not a subset of A. 1 is not a subset of A. Then take up the sixth one. So here 1 comma 2 comma 5 is a subset of A. Yes, it is now correct. It is true. So here if we write the subsets, so one of the subset will be this one, 1 comma 2 comma 5. That means taking 3 elements at the same time. So it is true. So correct because 1 comma 2 comma 5, because 1 comma 2 comma 5 is a subset of A. Is a subset of A. Is a subset of A. Then seventh one, see here, 1 comma 2 comma 5 belongs to A. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇದು ಇನ್ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ರೀ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 1 comma 2 comma 5 ಈ ಥರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತೆ ರೀ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 comma 2 comma 5 ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ರೀ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 1 comma 2 comma 5 ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. It is incorrect because 1 comma 2 comma 5 is not an element of A. 1 comma 2 comma 5 is not an element of A. Is not an element of A. So note down this and then we'll go for the next one. Well, the seventh one, it is 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 5. We are done with the seventh one, and then we'll take up the eighth one. We'll take up the eighth one. Then 1 comma 2 comma 3. 1 comma 2 comma 3 is a subset of A. See here, 1 comma 2 comma 3 is a subset of A, which is incorrect because 3 doesn't belong to the set A. 3 set A ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ನಮಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಎದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಬಟ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ 3 comma 4 ದಾಗ ಅದ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗಲ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, which is incorrect because 3 belongs to 3 comma 4. 3 belongs to 3 comma 4. ಈ ಥರ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ರೀ. ಬಟ್ 3 ಸೆಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 3 ಸೆಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಸೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. 3 ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು 3 comma 4, ಬಟ್ 3 does not belong to A. 3 does not belong to A. That is why it is incorrect. Now I will take up the ninth one. Ninth one, see here, pi belongs to A. He has given pi belongs to A. So observe the set A. In that set you don't have pi. But here he has given pi belongs to A. So it is incorrect. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪೈ ಸೆಟ್ ಎದಲ್ಲಿ ಐತಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಎದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಪೈ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೈನ್ತ್ ಒನ್, pi is, I'll write incorrect. It is incorrect because pi is not an element of A. Pi is not an element of A. Then we'll take up the 10th one now. Pi is a subset of A. Yes, it is true. So in this subset concept I clearly explained, pi or the null set or the empty set is a subset of every set. Whatever the set you take, so for that set pi is always going to be a subset. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಪೈ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ರೀ, ಅದರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. The statement is correct because pi is a subset of every set. Pi is a subset of every set. Now I'll take up the 11th one. So he says pi is a subset of A. So this has been enclosed with the curly brackets. So ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಟ್ರೂ, ಇದು ಇನ್ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೈ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ A which is equals to pi 1 2 3 4 5 ಈ ಥರ ಸೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ರೀ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಥರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಈಗ. ಸೊ ಪೈ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ A, hence it is not a subset. So here incorrect, it is incorrect because pi is not an element of A, is not an element of A. So this is regarding the third main question. So note down this and then we'll take up the fourth main. The fourth main question, it is write down all the subsets of the following sets. So here's given 4 cases. For every case we have to write its subsets. So we'll take up the Roman number 1. So this set has got only one element. So what is the general formula for number of subsets? Number of subsets which is equals to 2 raised to n. It is 2 raised to n. So where n is the number of elements in the set. So this set has got only one element, that means 2 raised to 1, that is 2. So for this set we have 2 subsets. The subsets are pi and then A. Pi is a subset of every set, that is why I have written pi. So this is the answer for the Roman number 1. Then we'll take the Roman number 2. It is A comma B. So this set has 2 elements. Number of subsets will be 2 raised to 2, that is 4. So this set has got 4 subsets. The subsets are pi and then A and then B and then A comma B. So these are the 4 subsets of the set A comma B. Then take up the third one. So it is 1 comma 2 comma 3. 1 comma 2 comma 3. One comma 2 comma 3. So this set has 3 elements. The number of subsets will be 2 raised to 3, that is 8. So we have to write 8 subsets for this set. The subsets are pi, and then take only one element at the same time, 2, and then 3. Now take 2 elements simultaneously. So it is 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2, and then 1 comma 3, and then 2 comma 3. Now you take all the 3 elements at the same time. So 1 comma 2 comma 3, 1 comma 2 comma 3. So count the subsets now, these 4 and these 4. Overall you have 8 subsets, and the last one, it is pi. So he has given pi, that means it is an empty set. For an empty set, the only subset is again an empty set, that is pi, because pi is a subset of every set. The subset is pi. The subset is pi. So this is all about the fourth main question.